Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Kaz and welcome to this video. Now today I am first of my channel, fluff. I've washed my hair today and it's gone all fluffy. Hey, first for my channel is a Throwback Thursday eyeshadow palette review. First impressions as well today, because for Christmas I got the beautiful Kat Von D and Divine. Now I wasn't bothered if it was Kat Von D or not before I get any hate comments. I just love Divine. I love anything drag queen at the moment, and here it is. It came smashed. I'll show you. It came smashed, but I managed to repress it. I got hold of the company and Kat Von D refunded the £15.60 this palette was, which is a lot better than the 30-40 quid that it was. It's got the name shades on the back, blah, 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 blah. But don't worry if you don't have this palette. You can still follow along this tutorial. I just want to use some of my old palettes, and the only way I could do that is a Throwback Thursday. So if you've got any of these colours here, then follow along with me. Right, so let's get into it. Can you see me? Do you need to be a bit further forward? Wobbly wobbly. By the way, what do you think to my background? I have had it stop wobbling. I have had it in the video of me and Toby, but I quite like it. Very spooky. Very me. So yeah, I've already primed my eyes and we're just going to dive in with this delightful, I'll show you this. I'm going to do what I got for Christmas, but I'm going to have to show you this as well. I got a Killstar mug from Sarah. It's cool. Killstar. It's cool. And what more? I use my eye brushes every day, so I thought I'd stick my eye brushes in it. Sorry, Sarah, but you know, needs must. I'm going to use the mirror. It's got some eyebrows on the mirror. Can I show you? Hey, look, it's got some eyebrows on it. I'm going to use this as a mirror because I thought it would keep it out of the way. And it doesn't do anything to the light. Anyway, stop faffing about. Let's get into it. As I said, I've already primed my eyes with, guess what? The Too Faced. Yeah, I forgot what it's called. Oh yeah, Shadow Insurance. Hello. I should know, it's the only one I have settled with. I have got a new one to try, but there we go. So we're going to take this. We're going to use my switchy because I'm a mucky bitch and I haven't done my, sorry for swearing. I haven't done my brushes in a while. But to brighten or darken, what should I do? I really don't know. Well, this gold here, even though it's been smushed, is all right, but I quite like this silver. So I think we'll go in first with the black. Do something different. And we're just going to pop this black on the lid to make the blue pop. I don't know if you remember the Too Faced. I never got it, but the Too Faced. What's it called? Glitter thing with the moving glitter. I got that. I didn't get that. Sorry, I was looking at that, and there was a black and a white, then a load of glitters. Now I always thought, why would you need a black unless you're going to do the under eye? Silly Kaz. You can pop your colours with it. Put it on as a base and pop your colours. And as usual, the black in the Kat Von D is very nice. I don't want to do too much black because you know me, we could end up with a black eye very easily. How's that looking? Yes, not too much. I'm trying not to do too much because you know what I'm like. Once we get this black on, we're done for. Right, and we'll use a different colour switchy. We're going to go in with this light blue here as a, can you see? There we go. As a transition shade above that black, just to blend in the black and pop a bit of colour on. I do like her colours. You know, since her vaccination child ijimy thing, Kat Von D is perfect and lovely for colour. I love her colours. They stay, they blend. They're just lovely, absolutely lovely. But there we go. I'm still going to show her on my channel. Let's do this other eye. There we go. Right, switchy, and pop it back. Right, next we are going to pop on. Now, the brushes, those brushes are Iconic London, but the big fluffy brushes I like to use to start off with, just to blend everything in. A brush to get the colour on, pack it on. The brush I like to use is, well, I use this one. It's Eco Tools, big fat squishy brush like that. The reason I'm saying this is I've got new subscribers. Yeah, I got new subscribers. And they're new makeup lovers, and they're wondering what brushes I use to do it. I mean, I'm not saying I'm using the right brush. But anyway, let's get back in. We're going to use the blue, which is... right, it was Hard Magic is the black, and it was Waters for the light blue. This dark blue is called Baltimore. And we're just going to pack it on the brush like that. Oh, don't think it needs taps. Yeah, her glitters don't normally. And let's get that on the eye of, oh, look, beautiful. Pack that on the eye very carefully with this thick brush in the middle. But I want that to blend in the black, but leave some of the black, do you see? Leave some of the black underneath, but blend in that beautiful shimmer and make it a darker blue. Oh, beautiful. We'll just bash like that, boop, boop, boop. Bash like that to blend in the outer edge, and voila. Nice and easy. I mean, I can do this within seconds. When I'm talking to you guys, I take hours, I know. Let's do the other eye. There we go. All done. Right, we'll swap the brushes around again. Another little brush I love using. Just let me swatch it. Right, the other brushes I love using, again, it's an Eco Tools one. It's a little fatter squashy brush. There, look. For the under eye, but I like a thicker under eye. If you want a thinner one, use a thinner brush. And this fluffy brush here, which just blends in the outer edge once I've got the underneath on. Now, the underneath, I don't know whether to go the green or the silver and the grey. I think I might leave it silver and grey and just leave this beautiful blue look. Yeah. So, silver first. I'm going to pack it on the brush, just wipe and pack. Ooh, bit of a kick up on that one. And I'm going to put it on the inner corner of my eye just to give it that pop. A bit more. More. It's a dark silver. Okay. Looks a light silver in the packet. Palette. Yeah, we're going to put that on so it comes along and up a little. Oh, yes. There we go, look. Can you see? Shiny. I like shiny. I like dull too, but I like shinies. There we go. In the inner corner. And then we're just going to leave that silver on there and pick up this grey, which I think is also a shimmery matte. shimmer. Tap, 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 tap. I'm going to pop that underneath. Oh, and just move it in to the corners, because I have watery eyes that don't play very nicely. Now there's a bit of fallout with that, but here we go again on the other side. Do you like the sound effects? I'm just being very silly today, I'm afraid. I quite like that. Wow. It's very similar to a look I've got on my channel, isn't it? But hey, and we're going to swatch this. I like doing that. I'm not going to have any of it left. And we're going to take female trouble. Okay, female trouble, which is this white, same brush. Just put a bit of white on, just to tap it up, just to go along the edges at the top here to lighten up the top. Voila! So I'm just going to go and pop my eyelashes on, mascara, a bit of eyeliner and pick a lip, and I'll be back in a mo with the look. And here we are, the finished look. Now what I've done is put my Tarte blue eyeliner into my waterline. I have used my Hourglass mascara. I love it. And got Jeffree Star's, oh I forgot what it's called. Oh, Titanic. Sparkly little mini out of the Blue Blood minis, which just brings in that sparkle. Yes, I like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. We shall be playing with more palettes in my collection that you can't get anymore. Well, you can actually, because this is still on the Kat Von D site for only £15.60. Bargain. But play with some palettes that were in my collection, but not, if we say, up to date. So we're going to do that every now and again, not every Thursday, but this is the first Throwback Thursday. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. Can't wait to get digging in to these. So if you watch me on Instagram, I'll probably do a silver, I don't know, maybe gold. I don't know. What is the gold like? Shall we see? Sparkly. Very nice. But I think I will be doing a green look on Instagram with this palette, and I've just wiped it all over my black jumper. Never mind. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you soon with my next one. Bye for now.